you need the activity class extended first. So it will be called first as a user interface you want to that. Some SDK software development tools and software development tools required for the Android, and when you need to start to learn the Android, so you need to download the Android SDK from the developer.android sites. You will find the SDK, and for the Windows they have recommended the .exe file, which when you run it, so it will be installed into your program files, and there is some folder like tools, platforms. In platforms there you can find the Android OS version. Android OS version start within the 1.0 and till now it's end with the Android 4.0, which have released recently. So there is lots of version, and the developer tools. You can find the tools in the program files where you have SDK abstractor. So there is a APP tools. APP is a Android asset packaging tools. It's create the APK file with all the resources combining with it and make those zip file. If you get the APK file and you manually add the zip extension after it, and you then extend. So after extending, you will output is as a what you get. There is a folder res and the .tx class files. Okay, so by doing that you can get the what the APK contains. Okay, next. Continue about the tools. Android debug, Android debug bridge. As I said, it is a work as a client server between your currently attached mobile with your Windows system and with Windows system and also the emulator. So whenever you need to the communication and like to install, so behind that there is a Android debug bridge running. You can manually use the ADB, and also Eclipse will do that for you. So by using Eclipse you will not need to use the ADB. And next is Android emulator. Android emulator need to require for the testing when you have not. It's not required for the real device. So they have needed an emulator. So every version has its own emulator they have released. So that will be you find in the Android AVD manager. So you need to that. And in DXPy, DXPy is direct cross compiler. It needs to be used for the DEX file to be loaded into your direct virtual machine. And then, next is the DDM, which is a part of the development tool. You need to track your applications processing, and also the need to capture what you have done.